Dear healthcare professionals and students, welcome to Healthcare Engineering. I am Gaston Ravindias, a biomedical engineer from the Healthcare Engineering team. We are here to provide you with informative presentations to learn and improve your skills. We are going to share our knowledge and experiences, what we gain from the industry. I strongly believe that all kinds of healthcare professionals and students can learn a lot from our YouTube channel and the blog by knowing the trends in modern healthcare world. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts based on the modern healthcare via our YouTube channel. So, I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the instant updates of a new informative video. Also, you can visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more about the concepts we share in our videos. We can support you in your healthcare business. We can help you out in advertising your healthcare products. We can promote your healthcare events. We can provide technical reviews for your medical devices as well as many more online supports we provide to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get supports from us, please contact us to the given mail ID. Also, you can follow us in these social media platforms shown in this screen. The links will be given in the description below. In today's video, we are going to talk about nebulizers. There are several ways to deliver medicine to the lungs, such as inhalers. Nebulizers are another type of drug delivery device that turns the medicine into a fine mist that is breathed in. Nebulizers can be used to relieve symptoms of various lung conditions by administering both quick relief medicines and long-term control medicines. Most inhaled medications relieve symptoms such as wheeziness, breathlessness, and tightness in the chest. They can also prevent or slow down the accumulation of phlegm and mucus. Inhalers are a common way of administering drugs, but nebulizers have distinct advantages in several situations. In an emergency situation, such as when breathing becomes difficult and a high dose of medication is needed, or when antibiotics are needed against an infection, nebulizers should be used. In these cases, it is done by paramedics or hospital staffs. Nebulizers can also be used in less severe cases at home by individual users. Inhalers are less effective than nebulizers. So, nebulizers can be used if the condition it is treating is severe. For example, conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases can be treated with an inhaler to the same effectiveness. However, conditions such as cystic fibrosis and bronchiectasis can be better treated with nebulizers. Some other health conditions such as arthritis can prevent patients from using inhalers. Furthermore, nebulizers are used for young children and babies. Nebulizers can deliver drugs such as bronchodilators to open the airway, hypertonic saline solutions to loosen up mucus, antibiotics to treat or prevent infections. Now let's see how do nebulizers work. Nebulizers work by converting a solution into a fine spray, which makes it easier to inhale the drugs. Inside the nebulizer, pressurized air passes through the tubes and turns the liquid medicine into a mist. During an asthma attack or a respiratory infection, The mist may be easier to inhale than the spray from a pocket inhaler. All nebulizers are electric or battery powered, unlike handheld inhalers. The fine spray is administered through a mouthpiece or a full face mask, depending on the patient and the requirements. The nebulizers typically has to be used for around 5 to 15 minutes. There are different types of nebulizers available in the market, but most oxygen compressed air or ultrasonic powered to convert the liquid drugs are highly used. Ultrasonic nebulizers tend to be more expensive and are typically not used outside of a hospital setting. However, most nebulizers are small and easy to use. Thank you for watching our nebulizer video. Soon we will bring you another informative concept.